has received decisive momentum. The Stree Shakti free bus travel scheme, launched on last Independence Day, has enabled 37.8 crore free journeys by our mothers, sisters, daughters, women, girls, and transgender persons to travel free across the state. Under Annadata Sukhi Bhava, rupees 20,000 per farmer per year is being provided to 46.86 lakh farmers. Alongside this, Deepam 2.0 is easing household burdens by providing 3 free LPG cylinders per year to 1.08 crore poor households. 15,941 teacher posts through Mega DSE 2025 and 5,757 constable posts have been filled. Rupees 15,000 annual support to 2.90 lakh auto, taxi and maxi cab drivers under Auto Driver Sevalo. Over 1.2 lakh fishermen families supported with rupees 10,000 to rupees 20,000 through Matsyakara Sevalo. Over 1 lakh handloom and powerloom weaver families will receive free electricity up to rupees 200 to and 500 units per month respectively from April 1. Now about resurgence of dignity to ascendance of human potential. My government has placed people at the center of governance, recognizing that true resurgence begins with social security and empowerment. From education and health to livelihoods and social justice, welfare initiatives have been redesigned to be inclusive, targeted, and outcome-oriented. Special focus has been placed on weaker sections, women, farmers, and youth to restore confidence and dignity. By strengthening safety nets while enabling self-reliance, government is ensuring that welfare is not merely support for survival, but a foundation for bridging the gap between haves and have-nots. This approach marks the transition from welfare-led resurgence to people-driven ascendance. Now about strengthening social security and restoring dignity. My government has adopted a zero-poverty approach by converging welfare, livelihoods, and institutional support. Instead of fragmented schemes, benefits are being aligned to every household to address deprivation in a comprehensive manner through family benefit management system. Welfare support is linked with skilling, credit, market access, and social security so that families move steadily from dependence to self-reliance. To enhance transparency, a family card will be introduced, enabling households to view benefits received and those available, making governance truly digital, responsive, and family-centric. The P4 Public-Private People Partnership, launched on Ugadi 2025, has strengthened this convergence by connecting public systems with community participation. This integrated framework ensures that poverty reduction is not temporary relief but a permanent exit, transforming welfare into a ladder for economic and social mobility. So far, over 1 lakh Margadarshis, those with means, experience, and opportunity have voluntarily adopted 10.30 lakh Bangaru Kutumbalu, working family by family to eliminate deprivation, restore dignity, and rekindle hope. The Anna Canteen program continues to be a cornerstone of social welfare in Andhra Pradesh, guided by the principle that no person should go hungry. At present, 205 Anna Canteens are operational across 113 assembly constituencies, providing affordable and nutritious meals with dignity. Steps are underway to extend this initiative to the remaining constituencies through rural canteens, ensuring wider reach. Alongside this, housing and nutrition remain central to the vision of housing for all under Swarnandhra 2047. The provision of Pakka houses to all eligible families reinforces social security, dignity, and inclusive growth. Socio-economic political equity in all aspects continues to guide governance. Our approach to scheduled caste welfare is guided by the fairness and inclusion. By advancing subcategorization, we are ensuring that the benefits of reservation and support reach every subgroup based on genuine need, while strengthening education, livelihoods, and economic self-reliance. The socio-economic development of our tribal communities remains a core priority. Through focused interventions in education, health, livelihoods, and skill development in tribal areas, we are also honoring their legacy, most notably by commemorating the role of tribal freedom fighters in our nation's history. Backward classes are central to our vision of strong and inclusive Andhra Pradesh. Our government is firmly committed to enhancing their economic opportunities, safeguarding social dignity, and ensuring fair representation and legislative, local, and institutional spaces backed by a clear long-term protection framework. Through Adharana 3 scheme, modern equipment and tools will be provided to the beneficiaries to promote micro-entrepreneurship and strengthen MSMEs. The government is extending focused support to weavers, fishermen, toddy tappers, washermen, barbers, artisans, and other traditional occupational groups, ensuring interventions that address their distinct social and economic needs. For minority communities, our focus is on security, opportunity, and trust. Alongside strengthening educational and economic support, we are taking firm steps to protect Waqf properties and ensure transparent governance so that development reaches every household with confidence and dignity. Now about investing in education and health for human advancement. Education remains the most powerful driver of future transformation. Andhra Pradesh is steadily emerging as a hub for advanced learning in information technology and frontier areas such as quantum computing. Strong enrollment, skilled faculty, and industry collaboration are attracting global attention. International companies are increasingly viewing the state as a talent destination. By strengthening education system and aligning them with emerging technologies, my government is preparing youth not just for jobs but for leadership in the knowledge economy. This investment in human capital will shape the state's long-term competitiveness. To strengthen this ecosystem, the government is modernizing technical and vocational education by upgrading training infrastructure, introducing digital classrooms, immersive learning environments, and advanced technologies such as AR/VR based training in select institutions. Industrial training institutes are being strengthened through modern machinery, updated curricula, and closer alignment with industry requirements. In addition, national level institutions, including specialized institutes for women and persons with disabilities, are being planned to expand access and inclusivity. Together, these initiatives are building future-ready workforce capable of driving industrial growth, innovation, and sustained employment across Andhra Pradesh. Health, welfare, and development are being pursued as interconnected pillars. Health security is being strengthened through financial protection and systemic reform so that access to care does not push families into distress. A flagship intervention in this effort is the Sanjeevani program, which has emerged as a powerful model for last mile healthcare delivery. Through telemedicine hubs and community level across points, Sanjeevani enables timely medical consultations, follow-up care, and specialized support, particularly for the elderly and vulnerable. Alongside this, preventive care, early diagnosis, and outreach are being expanded. With support from the Gates Foundation, data-driven approaches are improving maternal and child health, nutrition and disease surveillance, shifting focus from treatment to wellness and resilience. My government is strengthening public health care through the rollout of a comprehensive electronic health record system aligned with Ayushman Bharat digital mission standards across all network hospitals under Dr. NTR Vaidya Seva Trust. This will enable citizens to securely access digital personal health records, ensuring continuity of care and improved clinical outcomes. A universal health coverage scheme is being introduced to provide comprehensive health insurance of Rs 2.5 lakh to every individual resident of the state. Simultaneously, cashless healthcare is being provided to 1.43 crore BPL families with financial protection of up to 25 lakh per family per year, including high-end treatments such as cancer care and bilateral cochlear implants surgery without any ceiling limit. Recognizing the demographic transition underway, the government of Andhra Pradesh has introduced a comprehensive population management framework as an evidence-based response to declining fertility and rapid population aging. With the state's total fertility rate at around 1.5, well below replacement level of 2.1, the focus has shifted from population control to sustainability. Measures such as enhanced maternity benefits, removal of the two-child cap in local elections, and extending Talliki Vandanam to all children underscore this commitment. I am appealing to this august House to evolve proper policy for population management. The year of 2025 marked a decisive turning point, with Andhra Pradesh becoming free from illicit liquor distillation and making decisive progress towards eradicating ganjai and becoming a drug-free state.